Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales. We were lucky enough to get down to Indiana last week to see some of the 2023 models that are coming out, and we're also lucky enough to have a couple of them already sitting here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales. Today we're taking a quick look at a 2023 Puma 31 VHSC. Take a look at the outside first. You see that nice big beautiful outdoor kitchen. You've got a fully plumbed sink, you've got a pull-out Greystone griddle, and you've got a nice fridge with some storage around it. Power jacks installed on this unit as well. Makes it nice and easy for setup. Dual entry, nice big awning, and a couple outside speakers. Make the outside experience that much more enjoyable. Pass-through storage in the front. And we'll walk up the steps to get inside and take a look. So a couple of color changes. They've lightened up a few things. They've changed the floor. You got to come in and see it yourself to really appreciate it all. But a couple subtle changes for this year. You see in the slide, jackknife couch that'll fold down to create a little bit of a sleeping space. You've got storage underneath. That handle will pull down, and there's a little storage area underneath there as well if you wanted to keep some bedding under there. Nice big U-shaped dinette that'll pop down as well if you want to set that up as a bed. But family game night, a nice meal inside. If you can't be outside, you're stuck inside with the rain or whatever it may be, then you can certainly use that space to sit and enjoy some time with family. Kitchen area, partial peninsula. You've got a 3-burner cooktop with an oven, microwave above. Good storage above and below. Nice big Everchill 12-volt fridge and some pantry space off to the right. And a little bit more storage there underneath the fridge. Really opens things up. Your entertainment area is all set up here. You can set up a TV of your choice. It's all plumbed in, ready to go. Bluetooth entertainment system's all set up to keep you entertained when you're away for extended periods of time. Dual entrance to the bedroom. You see that nice barn board finish above the bed. A couple of lights there as well so you can see what's going on. You've got shirt closets on either side. Nice wide shirt closets too. And a little bit of storage above to set a few things. And windows on either side to open things up for a nice cross breeze. Heading towards the back of the unit, there is one more storage spot here just as you're about to enter the bunk room on the right hand side. Big cabinet storage as well as some more storage underneath. Saw that second entrance from the outside. So convenience factor of that is it leads right into the bathroom. So if you're outside enjoying a campfire with family, you can just pop right in, use the washroom real quick, and head back outside. Foot flush toilet, good sized sink, medicine cabinet above. RV size tub, just enough room for the kids to get in there and dunk themselves to get a rinse, and a skylight shower. Brightens things up. Real nice in here as well. Star of the show though, the bunk room. You can see we've got it set up now for sleeping. The jackknife couch repeats itself back here in the kitchen or in the bunk room, so you've got a little bit more space to sleep people if you need to. That bunk will flip up, so again, you've got some options here. You can put that up into a couch, flip the bunk up, and then you can set yourself up over here with another television if you'd like to, or if you just want to have a spot for the kids to come have a little time to themselves, they have this area back here which will close off with that door, and they're all set. Kickstand ladder gets you up into that top bunk, which of course is finished with a nice teddy bear finish on the mattress. So this has been a look at our first 2023 Puma of the year. Come on in and see us here at Leisure Time Sales, folks. All kinds of great opportunities. We are clearing out the 2022 models as these 2023s come in, so some great deals, some great selection on both pre-owned and new units here at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis, as well as our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton. Have a great day.